Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to release your Audi Q7 parking brake. This electronic system is designed for convenience and safety. It automatically engages when you turn off the engine, ensuring your vehicle remains secure. Releasing it is a straightforward process, primarily involving a single button on your center console. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you can operate it smoothly every time you drive. Your Audi Q7's parking brake often releases itself automatically, which is a fantastic convenience feature. This happens when you shift the gear selector into either drive or reverse. For this automatic release to function, it's crucial that your driver's seatbelt is securely fastened. This safety measure ensures you're ready to drive before the brake disengages, making your daily commute smoother and safer. Sometimes you might need to manually release the parking brake. To do this, first locate the parking brake button, which is typically found on your center console, often near the gear selector. Next, ensure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. With the brake pedal engaged, simply push down on the parking brake button. You'll hear a slight sound as the brake disengages, and the indicator light will turn off. Remember these important tips for safe operation. Always apply the foot brake firmly before attempting to release the parking brake, whether manually or automatically. Double-check that the parking brake indicator light on your dashboard is off before you begin driving. If you ever encounter any issues or have further questions, your Audi Q7 owner's manual is an excellent resource for specific details and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.